Welcome to the 60-second fix for broken hatches in AutoCAD. If you're struggling with disappearing or broken hatches, you're in the right place. Do your AutoCAD hatches disappear, break, or refuse to update? It's frustrating when you edit a boundary and the hatch goes completely crazy. Today, I'll show you a 60-second fix that solves 90% of broken hatch problems in AutoCAD. Let's get straight to the solution. This fix is quick, effective, and prevents you from needing to redraw everything. It's all about addressing the boundary issues correctly. Broken hatches usually happen because of gaps in boundaries, overlapping lines, non-closed polylines, or simply heavy, complex drawings. Good news, you don't need to redraw everything. Let's start with step 1, the fastest fix for the boundary issue. Select the broken hatch. If it highlights but doesn't fill properly, the boundary is the issue. Now type HATCHEDIT into your command line. Once you're in the HATCHEDIT dialog, choose Recreate Boundary. This simple command forces AutoCAD to rebuild the hatch boundary, which alone fixes many broken hatches. If the hatch still fails, proceed to step 2, converting the boundary to a closed polyline. This guarantees a perfect boundary. To do this, type BPOLY into the command line. Then, click inside the area you want to hatch. AutoCAD will create a perfect closed polyline with no gaps and no overlaps. Now apply the hatch again using this new closed polyline boundary. It should work instantly, solving boundary issues effectively. Sometimes the hatch exists but looks slow or broken. This is step 3, reducing complexity. Type HPMAXAREAS and set a higher value, like 10,000. This allows AutoCAD to handle complex hatch areas smoothly, especially in architectural drawings. If your hatch isn't showing correctly, it might be a display issue. Let's look at step 4, fixing display and regeneration issues. Try this 60-second combo. Type regen or REGENALL into the command line. This forces a complete redraw of the drawing, often resolving display glitches. Still not visible? Check that the layer is all in and unlocked. Also, ensure the hatch color isn't the same as the background. Simple, but often ignored checks. If absolutely nothing works, it's time for the ultimate one-command reset. This is step 5, the final trick. Copy the broken hatch, delete the original, and then paste it back. This essentially resets the hatch object. After pasting, run regen again. This forces AutoCAD to recalculate the hatch engine completely. It works like magic when other methods fail. So those are the fastest fixes for broken hatches in AutoCAD. Implementing these steps will save you valuable time. Remember, recreate boundary, use BPOLY, increase HPMAXAREAS, and regenerate display. These 4 steps cover most broken hatch scenarios. If this video saved you time, please like and subscribe. Comment hatch if you want advanced hatch tips next time. Thanks for watching.